Dear students and learners, I am Dr. Mahib, associated with Center for Gandhi Peace Studies, School of Social Sciences, IGNOU. This course, MGP 009, Gandhi in the 21st Century, is integral part of Master as well as PG Diploma program in Gandhi Peace Studies. It aims to impart in-depth knowledge about Gandhi, Gandhian approach, his thoughts and ideas for the empowerment of entire humankind. The major focus of the course is to critically analyze the viability and pragmatic relevance of Gandhian Vista and vision in the present fast-changing world. We will also accentuate the significance of the wisdom tradition of India, from where Gandhi ever derived his insights, intellect, and a strength for his life mission, with the objective of shedding new light in resolving the human challenges of 21st century. Mahatma Gandhi has been hailed as the man of the 21st century. His life and times neatly spread over the 3 centuries. Born in the latter half of the 19th century, when colonialism spurred by fierce industrialization and consumerism were the dominant ideologies, he develops in the 20th century a comprehensive socio-economic and political theory which embraces every aspect of the life of an individual and society to challenge the prevailing norm. By using his self as a laboratory, where he experiments with truth as a pure scientist, finds solution for major problems now confronting humanity in the 21st century. His ideas were formed on sound foundations, anchored firmly to the needs of his people and his times. By presenting himself as an example before the world, showed how his concepts were not only of utopia, but also of how to achieve it. Indeed, as we look back to the 20th century, we can justly claim that one of the most dominant figures of that century was Mahatma Gandhi. In that century of monstrous violence, it was and is our extraordinary good fortune that Gandhi lived, whose original ideas, pearls of wisdom, became guiding principles for all of us. This course is divided into 4 rubrics under the themes globalization, democracy and state, diversity and multiculturalism, and contemporary concern. The block first on globalization has 4 units comprising the content of how globalization brought major changes in various fields. Unit first, understanding globalization and its ramification first, economy and technology, deals with effects of globalization in the economic and technological arena. Unit 2, understanding globalization and its ramification second, socio-political and cultural, discusses the consequences of globalization on the mentioned fields. Unit 3, on the livelihood, culture, lifestyle and environment, deals with consumptions as the core factor that has affected the livelihood and culture patterns and brought changes environmentally. Unit 4, Gandhi's vision of a global orders familiarizes us to what Gandhi envisioned in matters related to global order. Under block 2, we have 4 units. Unit 5 deals with the idea of Gandhi in relation to man and his real progress. Unit 6 is related to the debates on the nature of state, and Unit 7 deals with problems and practices of democracy, the concept pertaining to the functioning of the state. Unit 8 deals at the length with Gram Swaraj today, the ultimate form of governance as envisaged by Gandhi and his concept of real Swaraj for people. Block 3 comprises 4 units. Unit 9 deals with Sarv Dharm Sambhav, a must factor if the culture and society of the country has to be in harmony. Unit 10 discusses cultural diversities, a prominent figure of our nation that is diverse in nature. Unit 11 deals with the significant issues of social inclusion, its forms and effects, and how the society needs to maintain the equality to the inclusive in nature. Unit 12 deals with the empowering women, one of the most important issues of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Women empowerment is often an issue to debate, but Gandhi realized the strength of this gender and gave them importance in such a way as to enable them to participate in the freedom struggle. Block 4 deals with the contemporary concerns engulfing society. Unit 13 deals with science and technology, an important component that makes and marks our lives as per our approaches. Unit 14 deals with the increasing significance of media and its power to highlight issues of public importance. At the same time, there are calls for enforcing a code of conduct on media so that it does not become intrusive and a medium of censoration. Unit 15 discusses on one of the most disturbing factors of today, that is terrorism. It has wrought havoc in different nations with its destructive techniques and means. Unit 16 highlights the importance of human rights and why we need to protect human rights. Various conventions and treaties relating to the subject have been discussed at length, and now it's pertinent to explain and extend respect and dignify to all. This course will engage Gandhian approach to resolve the contentious issues of 21st centuries comprehensively. Hope this very interesting course will help you to observe the 21st century world with special vantage point of Gandhi to lead the modern life with peace, serenity, equanimity and harmony. And you will fulfill the purpose by adopting Gandhian approach in your day-to-day life. Happy reading. Thank you.